Since Final Fantasy VIII came out many years ago, the Gunblade has always been one of my favorite fantasy weapons of all time. And from the Final Fantasy series, I think it's one of the coolest designs. So I went to Amazon and I found a Gunblade replica. Not like the usual one that you see online with the black revolver piece. This is a full stainless steel one with the revolver being all chromed out like the actual video game that Squall uses. This design that I found on Amazon from Sword Fort looks a lot more like the actual design of the Gunblade in Final Fantasy VIII. So we're gonna open this box up and see exactly what this Gunblade looks like. The weight on this box is pretty heavy, so I'm assuming this is a legit Gunblade from Final Fantasy VIII, or I'm hoping so. So the first thing out of the box is the stand. This is gonna be the stand for the Gunblade. We'll see if it actually holds up. Packaged very well, and the moment of truth. What? This is a real Gunblade, guys. This is not that fake one that you find online. This is a legit Gunblade. No way. I just want to show that real quick. Look at that chromed out revolver piece, Sword Fort. All right, I see you guys. I'm gonna just stab through this plastic. What? This is a full-size Gunblade, and it feels like it's actually full tang. Got the keychain. Wow. This is crazy. This is the most realistic Gunblade I've ever seen, and I've been playing Final Fantasy VIII since it came out on the PS1 many years ago. This is crazy. Gonna take off the tip. That tip right there is pretty serious, but it feels like it could be sharpened. As for the handle or the revolver part, it does spin, but you cannot shoot it. Chromed out, but the problem is you can't pull the hammer back or shoot the actual trigger. But as like an actual Gunblade replica, this thing is pretty heavy. You'd have to hold it with two hands for sure. They got the Griever from Final Fantasy VIII on the keychain. The blade is not sharp on either side, but I feel like it could be sharpened if you really want to do that. It looks like a full tang design from the looks right here. The blade actually comes up all the way down to the bottom of the handle. On the revolver, it looks like actual bullets in the chamber. You can spin it, but you cannot shoot the actual trigger, and the hammer does not come back. That's one downside, I think, with this. But other than that, this is the most amazing Gunblade I've ever seen. Gunblade from Sword Fort, I'd give it a solid 9. If it wasn't for the hammer and the trigger being functional, this would be a solid 10. But for a Gunblade replica, this is pretty serious. And I'm really happy with this, guys. Final Fantasy VIII Gunblade replica. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and I'm probably gonna take this out to the field and test some things out.